Today we're in the glorious Cotford St Luke to see this 3-storey, 3-bedroom townhouse. It's the perfect family home. You've got a south-facing garden, you've got garage, you've got driveway, you've got 3 toilets on all floors, downstairs WC, family bathroom and ensuite. The bedroom, master bedroom on this one is ginormous. You're going to love it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, so I hope you like it. I know I do. Give me a call, drop me an email. I'd love to get you in. I'll see you soon.